Chickens are far smarter than they're often given credit for. They have excellent memories and can recognize up to 100 different faces, including humans and other animals. Chickens use this ability to form social hierarchies, also known as a pecking order, where they identify dominant and submissive members. Their intelligence allows them to navigate their environments, remember safe spaces, and even respond to their names, proof that chickens are far more observant and social than they appear. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious content like this knowledge cookie.